Why is array shape important in Python NumPy? Have you ever wondered why the shape of an array matters so much in Python's NumPy library? Understanding array shape is key to working effectively with data. Let's break it down. The shape of a NumPy array is a tuple that tells you how the data is organized. For instance, if you have an array with a shape of 3 rows and 4 columns, you can visualize it as a grid. Knowing the shape helps you understand how many dimensions your data has. This is especially important when you are dealing with complex data like images or matrices. When you know the shape, you can access elements correctly. For example, in a 2-dimensional array with a shape of 4 rows and 3 columns, you can easily find the element located at the 2nd row and 1st column. However, trying to access an element that is out of bounds, like the 5th row, will lead to an error. Reshaping arrays is another important aspect. NumPy allows you to change the shape of an array using the reshape method. This is useful when you need to prepare your data for specific algorithms. Just remember that the total number of elements must stay the same when you reshape. Mathematical operations in NumPy also relying on array shapes. For example, if you want to multiply two matrices, their shapes must be compatible. If one matrix has a shape of 3 by 4 and the other has a shape of 4 by 2, you can multiply them. But if the shapes do not align, the operation will not work. Understanding array shape can also help with memory and performance. When you work with arrays that are shaped correctly, you can avoid unnecessary memory usage. This can lead to faster computations, which is especially important when handling large datasets. Lastly, checking the shape of your arrays can be a great debugging step. If your data does not match the expected shape, you can catch errors before they cause issues later in your analysis. In summary, the shape of a NumPy array is fundamental for organizing, accessing, and manipulating data. It is accessed through the shape attribute, which gives you a clear picture of how your data is structured. This knowledge is essential for anyone working with Python for data analysis and using NumPy basics.